Biography of Hung, Gabriel Changson Lew Chang, Technocrat, public servant, and mentor. Hung Gabriel Changson Lew Chang, born in 1952, is one of South Sudan's most distinguished technocrats and public servants, with a legacy rooted in hard work, integrity, and service to his country. Changson's career is a testament to his commitment to national development and the empowerment of future generations. Changson graduated from the prestigious University of Khartoum, a notable institution known for producing some of the finest minds in Sudan and South Sudan. Following his graduation, he began his professional journey at the Central Bank of Sudan. His tenure there was marked by rapid growth, as he rose through the ranks to become a senior official and a recognized expert in financial and economic management. His early experiences at the central bank laid a strong foundation for his future contributions to the public sector and national governance. Over the decades, Hung Changson held numerous positions in technocratic institutions, where his expertise, vision, and commitment earned him respect both nationally and regionally. His ability to navigate complex policy landscapes and deliver results positioned him as a pillar in South Sudan's institutional development, especially during its formative years. He served as the Minister of Higher Education, Science, and Technology, a position in which he left a lasting legacy. One of his major achievements was expanding scholarship opportunities for South Sudanese students. Understanding the transformative power of education, Changson brokered agreements with international partners including Kenya, ensuring that South Sudanese youth could access quality higher education on scholarship. His work in this area has benefited thousands, many of whom have gone on to serve in various professional and governmental capacities. Changson is widely appreciated for his wisdom, strategic insight, and unwavering patriotism. His presence in government is not only valuable, it is essential. As a man of deep institutional memory and unmatched experience, he remains an asset that the nation cannot afford to overlook. His contributions span finance, education, governance, and diplomacy, making him a uniquely versatile and indispensable figure in the history of South Sudan. Leaders of Changson's caliber are rare. His work ethic, coupled with a genuine concern for national progress, makes him one of the few individuals who bridge the gap between technocracy and statesmanship. Many South Sudanese regard him as a national treasure, deserving of continuous engagement in the country's affairs. His depth of knowledge, humility, and sense of duty continue to inspire admiration among citizens, politicians, and the international community.